and your student council representatives with your morning announcements.
Good morning. This is Alexis Jameson with your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, December 9th. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, this is Louie Ileana with your Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow.
Birthdays for today are Evelyn Oinoman Scrip and Harper Bamberlin. What do you give a sick lemon? Lemonade. Today is National Llama Day.
Our Orchard Hollow Elf on the Shelf is looking for friends to help celebrate some holiday cheer by taking part in one or all of the Orchard Hollow theme days before break. Yesterday was Tree Topper Day. Today, Wednesday, is Baby It's Cold Outside. Dig out your winter gear. Think earmuffs, scarves, jackets, or vests. Tomorrow will be Deck the Halls. Bring out your favorite holiday accessories. Think jewelry, necklaces, or garlands. And Friday will be our Polar Express Day. Wear your school-appropriate pajamas. We look forward to everyone having some fun with the 12 days of holiday spirit. Look who we caught on Tree Topper Day. It's Mrs. Tompkins Tree Toppers. Way to go showing your holiday spirit, Mrs. Tompkins class. Look who else we found spreading some holiday cheer. It's our helpers from the office, Miss Skufka, Mrs. Gable, and Mrs. Gable's grand kitten, Lily, and Mr. Phillips.
Today is Wednesday, and we have a shortened schedule.
Make it a great day, Huskies. We challenge Mrs. Porco.